Hello, John Griswold here with Griswold Group. Excited to fill you in on what's going on with real estate in San Diego. So unless you've been living under a rock, we're all experiencing quite a bit of chaos on the world stage right now. If you don't know what I'm talking about, turn on your TV. Has that had big impacts in San Diego? Not really. Rates are up a little bit. That's injected a little bit of fear into the market, especially for buyers right now. We'll see where things go, but it seems like the bond market is stabilizing. Interest rates are stabilizing, and I don't think we're going to, short of more dominoes that could fall, things are fairly stable with real estate right now. In terms of supply and demand and expected market time, everything seems to be tracking the 2025 trajectory very closely right now. So we're a little over 2 months into the year, and if you look at the graphs that you'll see in the email, it all sort of is tracking very closely to what we did last year. A little bit surprising, considering that interest rates are considerably better to start the year this year than last year, about a full percentage point or 100 basis points better. So that's a little bit interesting to see right now. Where we're going to go from here, yes, geopolitical stuff, domestic politics and stuff can have some impact, but really what you want to be looking at is what's going on with employment and what's going on with inflation. So those are the reports that I am staying laser focused on. Anything that the Fed says can have an impact up or down on rates. So we'll see what happens the next time the Fed meets, but my guess is they're going to keep things pretty stable, not doing anything to create any more fear in the markets right now. So I think there's going to be a lot of staying the course is kind of my guess. But yes, could we have inflation tick up because we're spending a lot of money on defense right now? Maybe. Are we going to have some? Obviously, there's all this fear with AI and unemployment, and all these kind of things are going to factor into the economy, which then factors into rates, which then factors into housing. So, lots to track right now. But in general, it seems like everything is essentially business as usual in terms of real estate in San Diego. If you have any questions about what's going on in the market or how you can win in this particular market as a buyer or a seller, I would love to have a discussion with you about all the things that you and I can do to position you to succeed in this market. Reach out to me anytime, and I'll talk to you on the next one.